What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, like always, take this good ass energy, take it. We're about to cook up something crazy from scratch. We're using a acapella. Like lately, I've been just using a lot of acapellas when making beats. That way I can get like a lot of creativity based on like a vocal, and I know the beat is usable, or what we're making, the melody, the drums is usable. It's not too full, because then when I send it out to an artist, he can do his thing. So let's dive right into it. Okay, so right here, I think I found a vocal that I want to use. I'm about to make a whole song. This is crazy. Let's open up Analog Lab, lay down some chords.
I got some wood on my knee. I make a bitch sub cause I'm him. I'ma provide appetite.
Simple chords.
On my knee. I make a bitch sub cause I'm him. I'ma provide appetite.
Okay, now we're getting there. That's it. Pitch it.
I make a bitch sub cause I'm him. I'ma provide appetite. I got a list long full of it.
Let's look for like a bell. We gotta shorten this arp. Some portal on it. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, this is insane. Little counter melody. We can just repeat that. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like and a comment down below, and let me know how you make beats. Do you sometimes make beats with acapellas, or do you usually start with the drums, or do you start with the melody? Like, so many different ways to start a beat. Is like, it's crazy. So I want to hear your opinion. Let me know in the comments. Okay. Whoa, bro. Little stutters on the vocal.
Gas, do the sun, what on,
We're onto something with this. A lot of reverb, just to create like a lot of atmosphere. By the way, all the sounds that I'm using are in the link in the description at astrosample.com on my website. Chop up the vocal right here, because we don't need everything. That's smooth. Copy that over. Smacking kick on there. If your kicks are not hitting, make sure to click this button right here, reverse the polarity. Like, I had this question a lot: why are your drums so like hard knocking and smacking? Sometimes it's, you gotta find the right kick with the 808 But sometimes you find the right one, like the perfect combination, but it's not hitting at certain points. And then what you do is just reverse the polarity. That knob is legendary.
I come from breaking bread with my brother. We didn't have a love with us. If it's all love, then it's your fail. No bad intention, pure from the heart. No more vendetta, leave it to the Lord. I'm tryna move on, free the guys. I got some shit inside my chest, but I can talk different fertilize. I got some water on my knee. I make a bitch soft cause I'm here. I'm a provider.
Little structuring here.
King back to the press, but just don't press, yeah. I got bags, I can spend it on my bed, yeah. Choke chain on my neck like a fridge, yeah.
Oh, shout out new ATL, bro. Little preview. What I did is I made some chops as well from the vocal, and then
I'm a provider, I protect. I got a list long full of bass. One call I wanna take. This one that bad calling is a grace.
that is wavy, bro. And then we have new ATL's vocal in there as well, just at certain parts.
I'm from a different planet, let me pop my shit. I know these niggas stand, let me pop my shit. I made a boss move when I went out rank. I switched the VW to Benz real quick. I come from breaking bread with my brother. We didn't have a love with us. If it's all love, then it's your fail. No bad intention, pure from the heart. No more vendetta, leave it to the Lord. I'm tryna move on, free the guys. I got some shit inside my chest, but I can talk different fertilize. I got some water on my neck. I make a bitch soft cause I'm here. I'm a provider, I protect. I got a list long full of bass. Only one call I wanna take. This one that bad calling is a place. Once you get money, then it's power. I be the first one to paperweight.
If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Make sure to go check out my other videos as well, especially this one right here. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm active on social media at @SkanaBeats, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.